Here, this machine, we can put many sizes of the products inside. When you place order, you can tell us which package of the products you will add in the machine. So we will install the different kinds of springs for according to your products. Now here we can see we can put the electric products, the milk, and the make-up products, and tissue, like that. Okay, first, how to install the products. Let me show you. Open the machine. Okay, when you get the machine and cut the tie off, and then you install the products. There are many kinds of the products. After finish adding the products, now we can set the machine. Now let's purchase the product. Press the button.
Please insert dispensing. Please wait. Welcome to Come Again. Have a nice day.
Get it. Okay, thanks for watching. And if you want to know more about this machine, please contact us. See you next time. Bye.